Follow Jesus across barriers at Assembly as a volunteer. Share your gifts, talents, skills, and ideas to help make Assembly happen. You can serve from home online as a tech volunteer, interpreter, translator, or content writer. To register as a volunteer, use a registration form at mwc-cmm.org/assembly-volunteer-form-2022. After you submit your application, the volunteer coordinator will confirm your volunteer role and request for you to confirm back. Go to the Assembly website and register as normal, selecting the volunteer option when asked. Volunteers will receive a free registration for the online hub, giving access to all plenaries and workshops, vlogs, photo albums, and chat spaces.